WarnerMedia Logos Part 3! Wow, it has really been a long time since I made a WarnerMedia Logos episode. Wow, What? Yay, I'm big! Why are you big? So I can do this! Why would you do that? You killed nearly everyone here! Actually, TNT did, not me. But you caused it, so it's still your fault. Goodbye! Sorry about that. Anyways, I'm here! Yay! Yay, I'm also here. Me too, yeah! Hey, who's that guy? Hello, my friending. I am Pogo, and I'm going to show you my Pogo stick. Don't laugh. Anyways, here my Pogo stick. It's really cool. It goes bounce, 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 bounce. Sorry about that, my friending, but it's okay because it's my Pogo stick. It never goes wrong. You have lost your purpose. Wait, no, I'm sorry. No, please don't do it. No. There we go. What did you do? Oh, what a wonderful day. Do you hear that sound? What the heck? Sorry about that. Dude, you just killed almost everyone. Oh, it really hurts. Sorry, it happens sometimes. Not again, please. No. We're still alive. Somehow. Well, that's interesting. What do we do now? I think we should... The end. Yeah.